Fi. Fi equal to raw data.
So raw data formula mean is equal to sum of observations. Sum of observations divided by number of observations. Number of observations. So this is first formula. And next second data presentation of data is ungrouped data. Ungrouped data. For this mean is equal to, for this mean is equal to sigma Fi xi
by
sigma Fi. So here Fi is frequencies and xi means observations. Okay, observations. And the next type of presentation, that is the grouped data.
Grouped data. Yes,
Grouped data. In this we can use three methods. Those are, first one is direct method. Direct method. What is the formula to find the mean in direct method?
Sigma Fi xi by
sigma Fi xi by sigma Fi.
Sigma
what is
Fi
here?
Frequencies.
What is xi here?
Mid values.
Mid values. Very good. Mid values. And next one is deviation method. Deviation method. So what is the formula here?
A plus sigma F. A plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi.
Fi di by sigma Fi. What is A here?
Fi. Assumed mean.
Assumed mean. What is Fi here? Frequencies.
Frequency.
Okay. What is Di here?
Deviation of data.
Deviations. Just you can write it as deviations. Okay. And last method, what is that one?
Step deviation method.
I am writing here step deviation method. So step deviation method. So what is the formula here?
X bar equal to A plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into H.
By sigma Fi into H.
H.
So what are the terms involved in this?
Assumed mean.
Assumed mean. So A is equal to assumed mean. Okay. Next one, Fi, frequencies. UI. What is
Step
UI here? Step
deviation.
Step deviations. And H.
Class size.
Okay. No classes. Common multiple. Common multiple. Common multiple of deviations. Okay. So these are the terms involved in this. So here I am asking about the formulas for mean in three methods. So from this you can write the direct method, deviation method and step deviation formulas and the terms involved in this. Okay. So if we write correctly, then put 2 marks for this question. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mute yourself. See, all of you take this as a screenshot and write down in your CW. Screenshot. Can I rub the ball?
మ్యామ్ మీ వీడియో స్పాట్ లైట్ అవ్వలేదు మ్యామ్.
అదే ఇక్కడ కనబడుతుందిగా.
ఇప్పుడు అయింది మ్యామ్.
నీదవుతుంది.
నాది ఎక్కడ అయింది మ్యామ్? మీదే కనబడుతుంది మ్యామ్.
L plus
Hmm.
n by 2 minus Pf
Hmm.
by F
Hmm.
into H, ma'am.
Okay, what is L here?
Lower boundaries of the median class.
And you should write the lower boundary of median class, not just lower boundary. So lower boundary of median class.
Median class. Number of observations, ma'am.
Half of total number of observations. Total number of observations. Okay.
Pad
And
is
what here?
Cumulative frequencies, ma'am.
Everyday.
Median class. Cumulative frequency of median class.
Cumulative frequency of preceding median class.
Preceding
నా
median
ప్యాడ్
class.
ఏది నా ప్యాడ్ ఏది నువ్వే జాకెట్లో కట్ చేస్తాను తీసుకున్నావు ఏది నువ్వేగా ఈ కట్ చేయడానికి తీసుకున్న ప్యాడ్
You see mute all? Okay, cumulative frequency of preceding median class. Preceding median class. And next one, what is F here? Frequency. Frequency of median class. Class size. So these are the terms involved in the median formula. And third question, see third question. If you write it correctly, then put 1 mark. Then third question, what is that one?
Write the
Write the
formula for mode of grouped data and explain the terms involved.
Tell me the formula for mode of grouped data.
L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H.
F2 into H. Okay.
H.
Explain the terms in it.
L is equal to lower boundary of model class.
Lower boundary of model class. Okay.
F1 is equal to frequency of model class.
F1 is equal to frequency of model class.
F0 is equal to frequency of preceding model class.
Frequency of preceding model class.
F2 is equal to frequency of succeeding
model class.
H is equal to model class size.
Model class size. Okay, very good. Okay, if you write correctly, then put 1 mark for this question and 1 mark for this question. Okay. All of you take this as screenshot.
Ma'am, third question H నుంచి కనపడట్లేదు మ్యామ్ అది.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
తీసుకున్నారా స్క్రీన్ షాట్?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. Read the fourth question. Any one of you? Other than those who read.
Ma'am,
The
following shows daily pocket allowance of children of a locality.
First tell me your name.
Ishwar Lakshmi, ma'am.
Okay, read the question.
The following shows daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. Find the missing frequency of pocket allowance. 11.
Here, Mr. Lakshmi, what is given here?
18, ma'am.
What is 18? What is the data given, ma? What is 18 here? Pocket allowance. The mean pocket allowance. What is that?
The mean pocket allowance.
And how much?
18, ma'am.
18. So first you have to write the step. Mean pocket allowance X bar is equal to rupees 18. And you have to find the missing term involved in that one. So what the data given here is the pocket allowance. So here in our tabular form, how many columns should be there?
3, ma'am.
What are those?
Class intervals pocket allowance, ma'am.
Okay. Next.
Frequency, number of children.
Okay. And then
Mid values, ma'am.
mid values. And then
FIXI, ma'am. FIXI, ma'am.
FIXI. How many columns, ma?
4, ma'am.
Then why did you tell 3?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is our tabular form. So 11 to 13, 13 to 15,
13 to 15,
17.
15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23, 23 to 25.
Okay. What are the frequencies here?
7, 6, 9, 13, F, 5, 4.
Okay. And then what are the mid values here? How can you calculate the mid values?
Average of upper boundary plus lower boundary, ma'am.
Very good. What is your lower boundary?
11, ma'am.
11 plus 13 by 2. 11 plus 13 by 2. So which value you get? 24 by
24 by 2, ma'am. 12.
So here we get 12. And next one,
12.
next mid value is
13 plus 15 by 2, 28 by 2, 14, ma'am.
okay. Next
15 plus
16,
17
ma'am.
by 2, 32 by 16, ma'am.
18,
next
18,
20,
20,
22, 24.
22, 24.
24. And then you have to multiply F5XI. So what are F5XI here? 7 12s are
84,
6 14s are
84,
9 16s are
9, 144, ma'am.
144. 13 18s are
234.
234,
234. Okay. F into 20.
20 F,
F.
ma'am. F,
Okay. 20 F. And next 5 into 22.
110, ma'am.
110. And next 4 into 24.
96, ma'am.
96. And then we have to add the column F5 and the column F5 X5. Okay. So by adding all the frequencies here, what did you get, ma?
44 plus F, ma'am.
44 plus F. See, we are adding the 7 plus 6 plus 9 plus 13, and then we didn't add F term because it is unlike term. So we get 44 plus F. So this is our sigma F5. And here, what did you get here?
752 plus 20 F, ma'am.
72.
752 plus 20 F, ma'am.
752 plus 20
20
F. So this is our sigma F5 equal to
Sigma F5 Sigma F5.
So what is X bar? That means what is mean pocket allowance here? 18.
18, ma'am.
So we have to write the term X bar as substitute by 18. And sigma F5 Xi means 750
plus 20 F
divided
by
by
44 plus F.
44 plus F.
F.
So 44 plus F. And we have to cross multiply here. So 18 into 44 plus F
is equal to 752 plus 20 F.
20 F.
F.
Okay. And next, see here. So 18 into 44, how much?
792, ma'am.
7.
92.
And 18 into F is
Yeah.
equal to 752 plus
752 plus
Yeah.
20F
792 plus 18
plus
into F
18F.
equal
18F.
to 752 plus 20 F. And transpose this 752 to LHS side. So 792 plus
Minus 752.
negative symbol 752 minus 750 is equal to 20F minus
Minus
18.
18F.
Here we get 40 is
40.
equal to 20 minus
2F.
18 means 2F. 2F. So F is equal to 40 by
40
is equal to 20.
20.
So our unknown value, F value is 20.
20.
Okay. If you wrote correctly, then put 4 marks for this question. Take the screenshot. Can I rub the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. 5th question. Read the 5th question. Any one of you? Any one of you?
Ma'am, Dinesh, ma'am.
Cheppu.
If the median of 60 observations given below is 28.5, find the value of x and y.
What the data given here, Dinesh?
60
What is-
observations ఉన్నాయి ma'am.
60 means total number of observations. Total number of observations. So what does the letter indicate? What does the letter indicate?
Median is n ma'am.
Total number of observations means by which letter we can represent it?
n ma'am.
N. N is equal to 60.
60.
Okay. And then the median is given by 28.5. So
Five.
here median is equal to 28.5. 28.5. Find the values of x and y. So here there are two variables. Dinesh, how many columns
Yes,
are
ma'am.
there in the tabular form?
Class intervals, frequency,
Hmm.
LCF ma'am.
LC, only 3 columns to find the median of the data. Okay, so what are the class intervals, ma?
0 to 10,
Ah.
10 to 20, 20 to 30,
Hmm.
30 to 40,
Hmm.
40 to 50,
Hmm.
50 to 60.
Very good. Next.
Frequency
Ah.
5, X, 20, 15, Y,
Hmm.
5.
Hmm. Very good. What is LCF? LCF means
Adding the frequencies from top to bottom ma'am.
very good. Less than cumulative frequency, adding the frequencies from top to bottom. So first value is 5.
5.
And then next value
5
is
plus X. 5 plus X.
Then
40 plus X.
okay.
40 plus XY.
X plus
plus
Y.
y. Yes, ma'am.
X plus Y. Next.
45 plus x plus y.
Very good. So
N.
here, what is the last less than cumulative frequency indicates?
N, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So it is N. But N
Six.
is given by
60.
60. So we have to equate these two terms. That means 45 plus x plus y
Plus
is
y
equal
is equal to 60.
to 60. And now we have to find the relation between x and y. So x plus y is equal to 60.
60
and
minus
this
45.
cancels to that side will become 60 minus
Minus
45.
45.
Okay. So x plus
15,
y
ma'am.
is equal to
15.
15. So this is our relation between x
Equation
and y.
number
This is
1.
equation number 1. And next step is
To find the median, ma'am.
median class.
Class.
Not class, class. So to
Class.
find the median class, how can you find the median class here?
X plus y is equal to 15. ఎక్కడ వస్తుందో చూసుకోవాలి మ్యామ్.
No, it is not right. So here the given
Plus
median is 28.5. So we have to use that value. So where this becomes to the class interval 28.5
25.
lie in 20 to 30 class interval. 20 to 30 class intervals. Because 28.5 lie between 20 and 30. So this is our class interval. So this is taken as middle class.
Median
So this
class.
is taken as middle class, not medium, middle class. So
Okay.
after finding the relation between x and y, we have to choose the median class. How can we choose the median class? By seeing the median where it lie between class intervals. So here we get 28.5. So we have to see where it crosses the class interval. So here 20 to 30 is our median class. Okay. And next, what is 20 here?
Lower boundary of median class.
Very good. What is this 20 here?
Frequency of median class.
Okay. What is the CF here?
5 plus x. Cumulative
5 plus?
frequency.
Okay. And we have to write those terms. So what is the L here? L is equal to 20. F is equal
F
to
is
20.
equal to 20.
F is
CF
equal
is
to
equal to 5 plus x.
5
N by
plus
2
n by 2 is equal to, what is n here?
30.
60. So 60 by 2, that is equal to 30. And
H
what
is
is
equal
the,
to 30 minus 20.
the class size means what is the class size here? 30 minus 2. Upper boundary minus lower boundary. So 30 minus 20, that is equal
Is
to
equal to
10.
10.
And we have to write the formula. Median is equal to, what is the formula here?
L plus n by 2 minus
Hmm.
CF by F into H.
Into H. Very good. So substitute these values in this formula.
20 plus
20 plus
30 minus
the
5 plus
next
x.
median value is given. What is the
28.5
median
is
value
equal.
here?
28.5
is equal to L means 20 plus
20
n by 2 means 30
30
minus
minus
CF. What is CF here? 5 plus x.
5
And here
plus
the
x.
most important thing is we have to put a bracket.
bracket
Because there are two terms. So 5 plus x
x
divided by, and what is F here? 20
20 into 10.
H. H means 10. And this 10 will go in 20 two times. And next, this 20 is transposing to LHS side. So 28.5 minus
0.5 is
20 is equal to 30 plus into minus minus 5 plus into minus minus x divided by 2 divided by 2, and then here we get 8.5. So 8.5 is equal to 30 minus 5 means 25 minus x divided by 2 divided by 2,
by
and I am cross multiplying
2
these two
LHS.
values. So
Trans-
2 into 8.5, 2 into 8.5 is equal to 25 minus x. 2 into 8.5 means 17
17
is equal to 25 minus x. And
X.
transpose this minus x to LHS. Minus x will go to that side, become plus x. So x is equal to 25 minus 17. That is
17.
equal to 8. Okay, so here we get x value as 8, and we have to find another
Substitute
variable,
X.
that is y. So substitute in equation number 1. So I am doing
1.
here
Substitute x is equal to 8
in
in
equation
equation
number.
number 1.
So 8 plus y is equal to 15,
15.
and y is equal
Y
to
is equal
15
to
minus
15
8.
minus 8 is equal to 7.
Okay, so in this way we get x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 7. This is very, very important sum. So take this as a screenshot, and if you wrote correctly, then put 4 marks to this question. Okay, can I rub the board?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you, please give me the information whether you take the screenshot or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Screenshotted, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See,
Yes,
sixth
ma'am.
question. Sixth question. Can anyone read that one?
Ma'am, Chandrika,
Okay, read.
calculate the median for the following table. Marks obtained, number of students. More than 0, number of students 53. More than 10, 48, number of students. More than 20, 45. More than 30, 41. More than 40, 38. More than 50, 35. More than 60, 35. More than 70, 31.
What they gave, ma? Chandrika?
Ma'am, marks obtained, number of students, ma'am. Students of ma'am.
Can we take this as class intervals, Chandrika?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. What is the second column here? 53, 48, 45. What are those?
Frequency, ma'am.
Is that clear? It is frequency.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaitanya?
GCF, ma'am.
It is not frequency. It is
GCF.
not frequency. So see here, they gave more than means this is about greater than cumulative frequency table. Okay.
Okay.
So these are greater than cumulative frequencies. So here you have to write GCF, not frequencies. Those are cumulative frequencies. So 38, 35, 31, 24, 15, and 8. And you have to find the median for this data. Okay, the median for this data. To find the median of the data, we have to know the class intervals and also the frequencies. and also the frequencies. So first you have to note the class intervals. So what can be the class intervals here? I am asking you, Chandrika, Chaitanya.
Ma'am, 10.
0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30.
Ma'am, 0 to 10 రాదు కదా మ్యామ్.
Let me say.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
More than 10 to 20.
Chaitanya.
11 to 20.
No, Chaitanya.
మ్యామ్ మోర్ దాన్ 0 కాబట్టి 0 to 10 మ్యామ్. 0 to 10 రాదు మ్యామ్. 10 to 20 వచ్చింది మ్యామ్ ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ ఇంటర్వల్.
ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ ఇంటర్వల్ ఎంత వచ్చింది?
నెక్స్ట్ 10 to 20.
10 to 20 వచ్చింది. 0 to 10 అయితే మోర్ దాన్ 0 ఉండవా?
మోర్ దాన్ 0
మోర్ దాన్ 0 అంటే ఇవన్నీ వస్తాయి, కింద అన్ని వస్తాయి కదా, అవునా? సో ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ ఇంటర్వల్ 0 to 10 అవుతుంది. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ మోర్ దాన్ 10 మీన్స్ 10 to 20. ఓకే, మోర్ దాన్ 10. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90. So these are our class intervals. Okay. See here, more than 90. More than 90 means 90 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉండటం, అవునా? సో 90 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంటాం అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకు వచ్చింది లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ ఇంటర్వల్ వచ్చేసరికి 80 to 90 వచ్చింది. So we have to take another one, that is 90 to 100. Okay. And next, so our frequencies. So what is our frequencies? Anyone? Chaitanya?
Ma'am, 53 minus 48, ma'am.
How much?
53 minus 48, 3 to 5, ma'am.
Last one is?
48 minus 45, ma'am. 53 minus 45, ma'am.
53 minus 48, how much?
5, ma'am.
5. Okay. Next, 48 minus 45.
3.
3. And next, 45 minus 41.
Minus 41. 4.
And next, 41 minus 38.
3.
3. And next, 38 minus 35.
3.
3. And next, 35 minus 31.
4.
4. 31 minus 24. 7.
7.
24 minus 15.
9.
9. 15 minus 8.
15 minus 8.